Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to unhide blank rows and columns in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then create your sheet or open your sheet. Now you can see here are my sheet. Now I unhide and blank rows and columns on this sheet. Right click. Firstly, select press Ctrl to select this extra rows, blank rows. Then right click on this rows, then click hide. Again select this blank columns, then right click on and select hide. Now I unhide blank rows and these columns. You can see here are a gap. Now go to on your mouse, then you can see here are a icon like that. Then right click on this icon, you can see hide and unhide. Click unhide. Now you can see I unhide blank rows. Now I unhide blank columns like this way. Now you can see I unhide blank rows and columns in Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.